How to work with audio on Adobe Premiere. There are multiple different ways to work with audio on Adobe Premiere. For the purposes of this tutorial, I went ahead and opened up Adobe Premiere. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab my audio clip mixer and make it a new window. This is important because I can actually watch the audio for every single line on the timeline. In the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will see a window with 0, -3, -6, -9, -12, and so on decibel range, which is my master program audio for my timeline. This is where I will monitor my program audio for my whole video. It is important to remember to keep your audio levels between -6 and -12 for internet and -20 and -30 for television. If I go ahead and hit play on my program on my timeline, on the bottom right you can see my program audio is moving. This is how you will monitor your program audio for your video. If there were some parts of the video that I wanted to make sure it was louder or even quieter, I will go on my timeline. There will be a line similar to what my mouse is scrolling over. If you hold Command on the keyboard for Mac, you can actually add key points onto your audio and boost the audio in certain spots, similar to what I just did, or even lower it. Now if we watch my program audio on the bottom right again, all of a sudden there was a dip of no audio where I just actually created those key points in the audio. On your audio, if you're going to use key points similar to what I just did, I suggest using 4 key points per spot, so that way you can monitor what part of the audio is going up or down. For example, this little point right here, I want to actually make it quieter, but just that section. So this point where I'm pointing at on the left starts where the audio is going to start coming down, then the next one goes down, and then the one on the far right is where it will start coming back to where it was originally. This will make it easier to find out where you boosted your audio on your timeline. Another option for audio is to add gain or even decrease the gain. To do this, right-click your clip, go to Audio Gain, and you can adjust the gain by negative decibels or positive decibels. Go ahead and adjust your gain by typing in a number and hitting Enter for OK. And as you can see on the timeline, the audio is now higher than what it was before. And as you can see in your program feed on the far right-hand corner, it is now boosted and peaking at where it was before. Another option for audio on Adobe Premiere is your audio channels. To do this, right-click your video and your audio on your timeline, choose Audio Channels, and you could choose what channel is doing what on your audio clips. This is very helpful if you were only able to record the left channel and there was no audio on the right channel for sound bites. To fix this, you would go to your audio channels here and then fill your right channel with the left channel. This will create a mono audio, so that way you actually have an audio signal in your left and right channels. Once you learn audio on Adobe Premiere, your video and audio will look and sound great for all your future videos that you create.